Hoko kwa tu pe moe tau polo kalama koia o e whiawhini, me he holo whamanatu kuinsalo te, me loto nuku alofa, koe contestant Honohoko, contestant Whika Tahanima. Our next contestant to grace our Heilala Festival stage this evening is contestant number 15. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Praxis Waves of the Pacific, Tangiatonga Latu, 22 years old. She hails from the villages of Utungake, Leimatua, Hunga, Ha'ano, Ha'avakatolo, Halaleva, and Kolofo'o. Tangiatonga Latu is currently studying for her law degree in Auckland's University of Technology while working as a sales rep for Vodafone New Zealand. Her goal is to finish her studies, continue doing modelling, and also to become a humanitarian aid worker. Her hobbies are swimming, running, hiking, travelling, and dancing salsa. She also loves modelling and spending time with family and friends. Mo paspasi mai contestant Whika Tahanima, Miss Praxis Waves of the Pacific, Tangiatonga Latu.
Ko e whamatala teunga taualunga Mesopraxis Radio Waves of the Pacific. Tapu moe hau e o tu wherente. Tapu moe fui lupe o loto palasi. Tapu pe moe ngahi haa kotoa pe o tonu ke whakatapoa. Pe a talanga tahe o whai ki tua. Ka e tā mua moe ki whine motuani ke ulawe atu ki hoku ka ke i taualunga. Ko ka ke i taualunga ke poni ko e teunga kakala. Pe tui ki ai, ai whautia pe moe whakamata moana. Ko ku sisi, ko e maile moe whautia. Ko hoku ka hoa, ko e nusi hei lala. Pe ko hoku mua wala, ko e helu o pilo levu, fungani hei lala. Pe ko hoku vesa nima moe wae, ko e whautia. Ko ku lolo milimili, ko e pako. Ko e katoa hoku teunga, ko e ao kakala, e ku whanga whae me vai kohiwa, hikuta more, moe wao nuka, punake ko haiterensia, loto kalani whakatawa whalauhola. Whasi tauolunga, ko e upeo au eitu, kauta mea, toa ko pouwalu me whalau ata, whakapapa atu, tangi atonga otukolo latu, Miss Radio Waves of the Pacific, Miss Praxis Radio Waves of the Pacific.
No! Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Miss Apraxis Ways of the Pacific, Tangia Tonga Latu, contestant number 15. Mo toi pasa si mai a Tangia Tonga Latu, ta ua aia koe Miss Apraxis Ways of the Pacific, contestant Fika Tahanima i he pōni. And Tangia Tonga Latu loves modelling and spending time with her family and friends. Her hobbies include swimming, running, hiking, travelling, and dancing salsa. She's currently a law student in Auckland's University of Technology and works full-time at the sales rep for Vodafone New Zealand.